What is up, fishing addicts? On today's video we'll be talking about the Lunkerhunt Link, the threadfin. I think this is the threadfin shad. I had it for 3 years, well, close to 3 years, and I have not used it that often. Well, actually I used it 2 or 3 times. I didn't like it, and it was sitting on my toolbox for some time, quite some time. And the other day, Father's Day, I decided to give it another try since I gained a little bit more experience since the day I got it. And I wanted to do a little review because I did not see that many videos on the good old web. So this is the lure. It's a jointed wop bait. The top one actually floats and this one sinks. I didn't quite like that. Does it walk? No, not that well actually. At least I couldn't get it to walk even with my master skills, but I might have to do some modifications to it. And the hooks, let's start with the hooks. The hooks are extremely sharp. I mean, I'm not sure what brand of hooks they are, but they're sticky sharp. I have caught some fish on it for the first time on Father's Day. I did enjoy using the bait. It does have pretty good unique action. I mean, during late summer or midsummer when smallmouth are on shad and they busting on the shad, this lure will be a killer. Just the action itself, there is a lot of roll to it when you jerk it. Actually, I was using it for the most part like a jerk bait, or try to walk it. They do roll. You do get some fish that come off, but I think that's because the hooks are too small, and I really don't want to put any bigger hooks because I have to figure out why this part sinks. But it does have great flash. It does have some rattles. If you think whopper popper, twist your line, wait till you get a hold of this bad boy. Holy crap. I did put a swivel, but I am gonna remove it just to see if it's gonna make a difference on the walking. I did use it with the snap swivel as well. It did walk a little bit better, but like I said, maybe it was too much front heavy and it was sinking. So I am gonna try it without swivels, but guys, be aware, it will twist the crap out of your line. It's pretty amazing bait. I mean, it's amazing action in the water. At least what I was doing with it, it gave me pretty nice flash, and I did miss a couple of fish, but it might have been my rod than anything else. I was using it with a medium glass rod. Actually, it's not for top water. So, but amazing action. It is a little bit difficult to cast because it's of the jointed part. So you may want to use spinning reel. In my case, this is the reason I was using a medium light glass rod so I could cast. I actually could have cast this pretty easily. This is the small one. There's a little bit bigger one than this, so I will try the bigger one as well. But component wise, pretty nice hardware. I'm not gonna lie, hooks are extremely sharp, and like I said, this thing has been sitting on my tackle box for 2 years and nothing has rusted, so it's a big plus for Lunkerhunt. I usually do not enjoy their lures, but this little thingy changed my mind. So the only thing I'm missing is an eyeball, and I have couple eyeballs, so I don't really mind that. Pretty nice lure overall, guys. I made a very short video, but let me know if you guys have tried something similar or any odd lures that you guys have used, and how do you like them. And that's it, guys. Enjoy the video, give it a 2 thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I shall see you guys after the video. Couple of things, nothing major. In the morning, one of my buddies got a nice box of so around 18 plus. So it was a pretty okay day. That's it, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.